Welcome to Tutor Panic. If you're new here, like and subscribe. Today, we are learning about
subtracting
2 digits. Now let's begin. Woohoo!
This is horizontal
Subtraction.
and this is vertical
Subtraction. Now let's find. The dark area is the ones face, and the orange area is the tens face.
And where do we subtract first?
The ones face.
What are those digits?
2 and 0. 2 minus 0 equals 2. Now, what is 1 minus 1? That equals 2, 0.
So 12 minus 10 equals
2.
What about 35 minus 25?
What is 5 minus 5? Oh, that makes 0. Now, what is 3 minus 2? That makes 1.
So 35 minus 25 equals
10.
Now what about this, kids?
This is a little bit tricky and a little bit easy.
75 minus 16.
Oh, the 5 is tinier than 6. What should we do?
So, let's borrow from
7.
So 7 becomes
6 and 5 becomes 15 because 7 is in the tens face. We borrow his 10. 15 minus 6, that makes 9. And remember, kids, 7 is now 6. So, what is 6 minus 1? That makes 5. Good job, kids!
So 75 minus 16 equals
59.
Now let's try another one. 92 minus 5.
Okay, what should we do again? The 2 is lesser than 5. So what we did earlier is we borrow the 10 from 9 because 9 is in the tens face. Now 9 is 8 and now 2 is 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. Now we just bring the 8 down. And now it's 87.
Now 92 minus 5 equals
87. Great job, kids. Bye and have a wonderful day. Bye.